come up with a new recipe called Mughlai mushroom, which is very exciting. First thing I will do with this mushroom is marinate it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. First, we will add in curd, garlic, ginger, green chilies, kasturi methi, approximately 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, 50 grams of caramelized onions, one and a half teaspoon of chili powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Why am I using curd for? Because it has that smoothness in the smoothness. Because if I use some type of cream, then it becomes a little heavy to eat. So curd has one in all. The creaminess, the sourness, everything comes from the curd. We go further with the cooking of the mushrooms. We add around 2 onions chopped. This has to be cooked not brown in color at all. It has to be little more than a pink color. See guys, the onions have become transparent and little more than the pinkish. So now I will add in the other ingredients. Approximately 2 teaspoons cashew nut powder, 1 teaspoon of coconut powder, and 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Because Mughlai food is rich, so they use a lot of nuts. So now you add in tomato puree. Here when the oil starts separating, then we will add in the mushrooms. Guys, I'm making one note very clear. I have not added any water to the dish. The reason is mushrooms have a lot of water. Curds have a lot of water. Tomato puree itself is water based. So everything will get cooked in itself. So the Mughlai mushrooms are cooked and they look so delicious. The food should not only taste good, but it should look good. Now I will show you how to plate it. This is it.